Hey, this is your girl Shema, back to talk with you guys. If you have not been tuning in to the last few interviews I have been doing with these phenomenal women, you're definitely going to want to check those videos out, okay? Power-packed information. Today we really talked about marketing, passive income, how to maintain that income, the mindsets that it takes to go from level to level, how to switch from being a business owner that's in store to online, where this culture is going to now with the workforce and everything that we're doing. So we covered a lot of points, a lot of good stuff, a lot of good tips, just to help you guys get started. So if you want to watch that on the replay, check below this video. I'll posted 2 links to 2 of the videos, and every Saturday as we get past these interviews, I'm going to post them under the link, under the video. So check back every Saturday, and you should see a new conversation and a new interview with some great information. This is information I wish I had before I got into business ownership, which was back in the 90s, but I might be telling my age on that. But all this information, I wish I had it when I first got started. So take advantage of the interviews, take advantage of the information, take advantage of hooking up with these amazing women on their websites and their contact information, just getting into their businesses that you may want to be a part of. So check them out. And as well, these videos I'm putting together to help people. It is really still about life coaching, personal development coaching, premarital coaching. If you need help, so I'm seeing a lot of people don't know where to start. What do I have? How do I start a business? Because our wealth gap right now is like this. This is our wealth gap, okay? And I've listened to people going through stress, anxiety, even some depression because they've always worked a regular job. I've always worked at 8 to 5 or 10 to 6 or whatever you're working. Now our culture is calling for different strategies to make money, different ways to connect with your clients, your customer base. Different ways, and some people are afraid of that because they've never really been into business ownership. They've never really been down that path. Well, that's why I'm here. Personal development. It starts up here. It starts with the mind. And if you need help identifying what are my gifts, what are my talents, what do I have that someone is willing to pay for? And there's someone willing to pay for what you have. They're out there. They exist. And so even today we talked about getting rid of stinking thinking. Listen to people, such and such did that too, and they didn't do so good. Or why you want to do that? That doesn't even make sense. Even the people you surround yourself with. So reach out to me, Shema Ladd, premarital coach, personal development coach, and I can definitely help you get started on your business plan and direction on how you're going to get this done. How am I going to get that financial freedom? How am I going to be able to pay for my kids' college or be able to pay for whatever your children need, whatever is important to you, your why, whatever your why is. I can help you get that started and on your way. So reach out to me on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube. You'll find me and hit me up, and we'll get you set up with a consultation and get you on your way to starting this new development, this new thing that we're getting into after coronavirus. So there's no need to be afraid of not having enough or not being able to make that income, or what am I going to do? Well, that's what coaches are for. So check me out. My information is below this video. Check out the interviews, hopefully, and I'm sure it will give you some great information to get you rolling or continue moving in the direction that you're trying to go down. So I will see you next Saturday, where we will have Kimberly Morgan, a phenomenal woman, first black First black woman to be VP in corporate America of this billion-dollar company that is into premium commercial real estate. So she's an amazing woman that we're going to really talk to about all the things that she went down, the path that she went down to get to her six-figure income and to continue growing. And, you know, we're trying to make it to the seven-figure club now. We're on the seven-figure club mode. So check us out. Like the video. And subscribe to the video. And even leave some comments. I talk back. I'll comment back. I'll speak with y'all. So, and to the women, it's not all about business. I also do coaching, like I said, premarital. So if you're trying to get in a relationship, you're trying to get prepared to get married, and all of this is based around personal development. Either way, whether it's business, whether it's relationship, it's all based around personal development. If you don't know who you are, what you have to work with, and how to use it, you're on the losing end of the stick. So contact me. Let me help you get to where you want to go, and you'll be a lot more happy. So have a good evening. Have a good day. And until next Saturday, tune in to Facebook, 12 noon, next Saturday, December 4th. And bye-bye. Have a blessed day.